Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to set up Chorus Modem, full guide. First, power on the modem and plug it into the wall outlet or fiber ONT, then wait for the lights to stabilize. Next, connect your computer or phone via Ethernet or Wi-Fi to access the admin page, and use the sticker credentials to log in. I'll guide you through basic configuration, security, and connection checks in simple steps you can follow calmly. Now we'll configure essential network settings to keep things smooth and secure. After logging into the modem, change the default admin password to a strong, unique passphrase and update the Wi-Fi SSID to something memorable. Enable WPA2 or WPA3 encryption for better protection and set a clear guest network if needed. Finally, use DHCP reservation for key devices, so printers and smart TVs. Keep the same IP address for reliable connections. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support future guides and quick tips. On another note, a quick recommendation for downtime. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading anywhere while you wait on firmware updates or reboots, and it's compact enough to carry during home projects. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, and if you grabbed it, nice choice. Now let's get back to the video. If you run into issues or want better performance, try these practical tips. Position the modem in an open, elevated spot away from metal and interference sources, then update firmware to benefit from fixes and improvements. For slow speeds, run a wired speed test and reboot the modem plus connected devices. That often clears transient issues. If problems persist, note error lights and log details so support can help faster and more effectively.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.